Now let us explain next topic, that is key. What do you mean by key? Key explains the meanings of symbols and used in a map. Okay, it can be like this. What is that? Downside, some color, blue in color, some can be yellow in color, some these all the things can be explained. Blue in color it may written ocean, and another color it may written cultivated land or uncultivated land, and this way. Next side we may see some scale written 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, and these kinds of things which is written below the map is known as key. And what is the work of key? Key explains the meaning of symbols which we used on a map. Now let us go to another topic, that is a sketch. That sketch shows the features of an area according to a scale. But sometimes we need a rough drawing of an area. Okay, let us, what do you mean by a sketch? Sketch shows a draft drawing. We need a draft drawing of an area to this sketch means it is a draft drawing of an area is known as a sketch. Okay, this rough drawing means there is no need of any particular scale, it is a rough. And suppose you want to go to another person's home, I mean your friend's house, then what will you do? Then he will draw or he will send you a rough drawing to showing how to reach his home. And such a drawing would be drawn to any scale. Okay, and such a drawing would not be drawn to any scale, nor would it have all the features of an area drawn in detail. And this is what rough drawing. This rough drawing would not be drawn to any scale, nor it have all the features of the area drawn in detail. Okay, only some of the important things and some rough distance, these are the things which we need to locate that particular places. Now let us go to another topic. That topic is a plan. Go to next page, page number 6. Let us see, a map shows the locations of various places. Map, what it is showing? It shows the location of various places or features of an area. A detailed map of a part of a town may show schools, park, and in short you try to understand that a detailed map of a part of school, park, roads, etc. These are known as a plan. You suppose you want to make a home or you want to make a school, big building or a park, then we need a map of a detailed drawing, and this is known as a plan. Sometimes we need to know the details of a particular building or of a room in a building. Like at such times we refer to detailed drawings known as plans. I have said to you this detailed drawings known as planes. Now, a plan is a detailed drawing of a small area drawn on a very large scale. It shows of details of small area. Okay. And for example, a room or a house, before a house is built, a plan showing the rooms, windows, doors, etc. If you want to make a room, first you will make a plan. That plan tells us, or that plan shows how many door this room we need, or how many windows it will have, or like what about the height of that room, what about the width of that room. These all detailed things it can be said. This is known as a, what is it? That things are known as plan. So next period, next session, we will learn about rest of the lesson, like maps, sketches and plans and diagram, and even question answers. We will do it in a next session. So thank you, my dear students.